Hi guys, it's me, Brandy, with Be Vintage Design and Decor, and today I am doing a haul that I've never done before, or unboxing I should say, I've never done before. I have never, believe it or not, ever gotten Stitch Fit, what the heck is wrong with me? Stitch Fit, Stick Fit, why can't I say Stitch Fix? I'm totally leaving this in because who can't say that? Anyways, Stitch Fix, there we go, unboxing, there you go. So yeah, my best friend gifted me a gift card for Christmas for a Stitch Fix box because she gets them all the time and loves them. I, to say the least, am extremely skeptical because I have a hard enough time picking out my own clothes. Nevertheless, some stranger who doesn't know my weird body type to pick out clothes for me. So I did cut the box. I did not look in it yet. And I did get it early this morning. So I've been patiently awaiting opening it. So you'll see my reactions in real time, so to speak, as far as whether I like things or not, and my honest opinion of it. So yeah. I can't even remember how many things they send you, to be honest. I'm just going to set it here. So we'll find out together, I guess. Sorry. So there is how it's all packaged. I can't even remember what I'm supposed to do with these when I do like or don't like some. So I'll probably have to read the instructions. Here's a bag that you return everything back to them in that you don't want. So I'll set that aside. I'll say this up front. I have a weird, I think it's weird. It's probably normal. I don't know. A weird body shape where I'm smaller up top and then very curvy and hippie on the bottom. And which is why I usually do my videos from here up. So yeah, the trying to have somebody else pick things out, especially pants, if there's pants in here. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So I don't see any jewelry, which I guess maybe is a good thing. I don't know. So, there I see pants, I see denim. So right off the bat, oh, this is nice. This is me. It's a leopard print top, size large. Yeah, and it's got like these, you can see how kind of thin it is, knit sleeves. So that's not bad. I definitely am going to have to try these on. Off of first glance, I don't think that's bad. White. Oh, I don't know. I don't wear a lot of white because I'm messy. Oh, this is a very pretty top. It's by Cupio. I don't know if I should tell you who the other one's by. They're not by any name brands I know. That was by Cut. XUT. Hold on one second. I'm sorry. My nose is running. So, you know, my nose runs all the time when, well, really when the camera's on. But no, it runs all the time anyways. So, yeah, this is just a plain t-shirt. Not sure if I'll like this or not because it's kind of thin and it's white. And it has short sleeves, which I'm not a fan of. I like a longer short sleeve. But we'll see. I like the length on it though. Look at it, it's really long and it's got like a high-low, which I really like. So I could always wear something, I guess, over the sleeve part. This is soft. Margaret Spruce. Oh, so this is what I could wear over it, I guess. It's a nice pink cardigan, pink and mauve color. This is also, I guess everything in here is a large. So yeah, I honestly filled out like a Stitch Fix profile a while ago, like probably, I don't even know, 6 months ago maybe, when she first told me about it. So I don't even remember how I filled out my profile of what I liked. Who knows? I mean, back then, well, 6 months ago, yeah, I mean, it wasn't that long ago, but oh, gotta love them. They sent me elastic pants, which I love because I work from home basically as a reseller, and I like jeans, but I don't like messing with jeans and they fall down on me a lot since I have a weird body shape. So elastic waists are nice. These are Love Liverpool Los Angeles, size 1231. So yeah, I used to be an 8, now I'm 12. So that wasn't that long ago. This is just like some little note. Next bag. So far I like everything that they sent. It looks nice. Ooh, this looks like, okay, this is just one piece. So they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. This is cute. I don't know if honestly I would, it looks really nice. It's cute. But I don't know if I would keep this one, only because I don't like these. This to me is like more of a coat than a sweatshirt, but this is actually sweatshirt material. And it has this nice, I like the Sherpa inside it. Is it all the way inside? No, it's just in the hood. So, yeah. And I think, and I'm sure you guys will correct me in the comments, and I'm sure I'll read about it afterwards and find out. But I think whatever you want to keep is obviously, you pay the price of what they are. So for me, something like this, oh, it's got a zipper too. So it has these toggles and a zipper. But I honestly probably wouldn't wear it. This is too much fussiness for me. So yeah, it's cute though. I like the color. But I'm not even gonna probably try it on because I know me. I wouldn't. I probably wouldn't. I would wear it without those toggles, but those would drive me nuts. And it must be a coat. I don't know. It's got these button sleeve decals too. So to me, that's just all stuff that would get in my way. But I like the cut of it, and I like the hood. But yeah, so not bad. I will try everything on, see what I will keep. I will definitely, which is weird because I just bought a pair of these type of jeans yesterday. But I would probably definitely keep the jeans. They look like they will fit. So, just depending, actually they look like they're going to be long enough too. I will probably definitely keep this because I think that's super cute and I love the color. It's different. And I like that the sleeves have the cuff on them. And pockets. Pockets are nice. This is definitely me. I just have to try it on and see how it fits. Just because it kind of cuts at the waist. And then I really like this. I really wish it wasn't white. If it were black or gray, that's totally up my alley. The white, I'm not so sure about. So, but it's cute. I like the little lacy detail in there. And then it's just plain. And it is soft and it feels well made. And I don't know. I'll probably keep it because I do like it. But we'll see how it fits. So, yeah, that is my first Stitch Fix box unboxing. And I do have some jewelry boxes coming in the mail today. And I should have some more later this week. So I will definitely be doing unboxing videos for those. And I will let you guys know in that video what items I kept from this box. And I'm going to read up on the paperwork and see how it all works. If any of you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments below, or any success stories that you've had with Stitch Fix. I know there's a lot of people that do these type of haul videos, so I thought it would be kind of fun to do, especially since my best friend watches my show, or my channel, I should say, my channel, and I thought she'd like to see firsthand what comes out of the box. So, all right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. Okay, I decided to come back on after I tried everything on, and I gotta admit, I got a problem because I like everything, which isn't a problem. That's actually a good problem to have. And I had time to read through everything, so I'm not so unsure as to how this all works. First off, this is a coat, and it's actually a nice lightweight, like I'm running the kids to the school or running out the door to grab grocery pickup or whatever. It's a good lightweight sweatshirt coat. So It looks really cute on. I really like I'm still not a fan of the toggle, but it doesn't look bad once you zip it up. And I like the cut on it too. I like how it goes in. It's much more flattering than a regular sweatshirt would be. So I realized that because nothing had prices on it, I thought I grabbed the price sheet. Thought I did. What did I do with it? Oh, I think I did grab it. Today is an airheaded day. So anyways, it comes with a styling chart as to how to style everything in case, you know, somebody has problems styling themselves up. And then it gives you the instructions what to do. And then it gives you your prices on here. And I'll put a picture at the end of the video of how much everything was. So they actually give you a credit of 25% if you buy everything. And then they also give you a credit of your styling fee. So if you don't purchase anything, you just get charged your styling fee. If you purchase something, then your styling fee of $20 goes towards your purchase. All right, so that being said, the coat that I have on is olive green. It looks brown in the thing, but it's a really pretty olive green. That's $88. Never would I spend $88 on this. I'm just cheap. I don't know how to describe it other than I'm cheap. And I just personally wouldn't, I'd wait for it to go on sale. Anyhow, but I do have the credits and I have the gift card. So that's why I think I'm going to keep everything out of this box. The jeans, I tried them on. There's nothing special about them. They're just elastic waist jeans, but they felt comfortable. I won't know if they fall down and stuff until I start walking around in them, but they aren't bad. So the jeans are $78. Once again, I would never spend that much on especially this kind of jean. Maybe like a designer jean I would, or ones that made me look phenomenal. But these, I normally get my elastic waist jeans, you know, 9 West, like $20. I mean, you're hanging out in your house in them. So anyways, I'm at that age where I just, you know, I'm all about comfort and not spending a lot on my clothes because I like clothes and I like to have a lot of them. So, okay, that being said, back to the, where's this one? Oh yeah, the brushed knit cardigan. This is $46. And it looked cute on. It was flattering. It wasn't too bulky and big. And then the leopard print top, I did like it. It did cut right at the waist, but it didn't look bad. So I did like the way that this one looked. And this one is $60 for this shirt. Once again, I would never pay $60 for this shirt. To me, this shirt I could get probably for 20 to 30 someplace. But like I said, got the deal. This is probably the only one that I don't really care for. I will wear it. I'll wear it under stuff. I did like the length on it. I didn't like that it was white because honestly, I very rarely wear a light colored bra. So that's why I don't wear a lot of white. And I swear, every time I wear white, I drop coffee or something on it. So I just don't wear it a lot. However, that being said, if we went someplace or whatever, and because I get the discount if I buy everything, I'll keep this. It's a good staple to have. So, the box was a win. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much the white shirt was. $32. Once again, I would never pay $32 for a plain white shirt, but it's really soft and, it's really soft. And, where are you going here? All right, sorry, I can't find where that's at. There we go. It's really soft and it is a nice length, so I can wear it underneath like a sweatshirt or something and have it stick out. So that's a good thing too. So all the clothes before discounts were $304. After the 25% discount, that took off $76 and that brought it down to $228. Now the promo code that I had was $30 and then the styling fee coming off was $20, so that brought it down to $178, and it was free shipping too. And this is really comfortable. I must say I'm not hot being in my room in a coat. And then I have my gift card to use too. So I figure once my gift card comes off that $178, that brings every one of these pieces down to $25 each. So to me, that's reasonable. That's a great deal. That's what I would probably spend on like the t-shirt and the leopard print shirt and stuff. This I would probably expect to pay $64 in a store. To me, $88's a bit high. That's before they do the markdown at Macy's or something. So, but yeah, it's comfortable, and as a sweatshirt, which is what I thought it was at first, I didn't like all that. But as a coat, now that I try it on and I really feel it as a coat, I like it. I think it's cute, and it's different. It's a different color. So I wish it would come up with the real, oh, there you go. You can kind of see it there. The real olive color that it is, instead of it looking brown. So anyhow, yeah, I would do it again. I think it's fun. I can't imagine doing it every month. I would think you'd have an obnoxious amount of clothing if you did this every month. Although if you kept like one thing out of it or something, that would make it worth your while. But sometime I'll have to show you my closet. I really don't need more clothes, but it's always fun to get more clothes, especially something different and out of your comfort zone. So I'm glad I did it. I'm glad my friend gave me a gift card. I think it was an awesome gift. If you don't know what to get somebody, I think it's a great thing to do. And it's definitely a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if you're new to my channel. This is not something I normally do. I normally do thrift flips. I normally do jewelry hauls from Goodwill. And so I hope to maybe do another one of these again, because I did sign up for the subscription box, but not for another couple of months. So by then it'll hopefully be warmer out, and hopefully they don't give me shorts though, because I don't like shorts. So anyhow, all right, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.